Hello, I'm Harrison, co-founder at theluxurypergola.com. Today we'll be announcing an evolution to our market-leading and wildly popular Luxury Pergola. When we entered the market, our goal was to manufacture a made-to-order product in the USA in a huge variety of sizes and options at the best value possible. The only option we found was to sell this commercial-grade product direct to you, the homeowner, rather than through a distribution network. This was unheard of in this space. Even now, no one has caught up to our wind loads, snow loads, and 17,820 different configurations. The other options from our competitors either don't meet your local building codes or cost twice to 3 times the price of our unit delivered to your door. And make no mistake, the building codes are very important if you ever plan to sell your house. We thought we'd see all of our competition bring their manufacturing in-house, especially after COVID. But instead, they are still slapping their brand on pergolas coming out of China. I know because those plants in China email me on a weekly basis. Not only are we not doing that, but we've gone from 93% made here by red-blooded Americans to 97%. That's 4 points for America. So what could be next for us? And being the leader, you can do one of 2 things. 1, just wait for everyone else to catch up and then start innovating. Or 2, push your product and innovation even further. We opted for option number 2. That is why this year we are offering 3 new pergola options: Luxury Pergola Pro, Luxury Pergola Ultra, and Luxury Pergola Magnum. What can you expect with these new pergola options? The first thing we improved was the powder coat finish on every unit. We already had the most fade-resistant paint in the industry. You can take any aluminum part on our pergola, lay it on the beach in Florida, leave it for 10 years, come back, hold up a new piece, and you'd have a tough time telling the difference. Others fade in a year or 2. If we forget about fade resistance, we also have an even more durable and scratch-resistant coating than ever before. With our new armor finish, you get incredible fade resistance, improved scratch resistance, and the best part, fingerprint resistance with these new matte textured finishes. We've increased our recycled rate, as now up to 80% of our pergola is made with recycled aluminum. Next, we found that our base trims were wildly popular. These provided a great aesthetic accent to the pergola, but they were $400 as an add-on, and they were difficult to install. So you asked, and we listened. We improved that design to a beautiful, modern post-base collar that is more durable and can be installed at any point in your build process, even after the unit is up. They are much easier to build and much more versatile than ever before. The best part is that these new base collars are free with your Luxury Pergola unit and come standard with your order. Third, we've added optional smart controls, so you can control your outdoor oasis from anywhere. You can use a smartphone app to easily control the unit from wide open for the sun to closed tight for shade or rain protection. Fourth, we wanted to be able to comfortably meet building codes anywhere in the United States without any lies or specifically chosen wording like with the louvers open. Others might play the game with their wind loads by telling you to open the unit or add a wind sensor to open it for you when the unit is at risk of failing. The problem is high winds means storm. Storm means rain. And most of you don't want your pergola to be triggered to open during a heavy rainstorm. That defeats the purpose of the product. So this year, we have a pergola option that can meet wind codes anywhere in the United States, open or closed. The breakdown of our 3 model lines works like this. Each of these ratings is for the louvers closed. The specific number within the range depends on the size of pergola you choose. Our Luxury Pergola Pro can handle anywhere from 130 to 160 mile-per-hour winds. The Luxury Pergola Ultra unit can handle anywhere from 160 to 180 mile-an-hour winds. And finally, our Luxury Pergola Magnum can handle winds over 180 miles per hour. That's an F4 tornado or a Category 5 hurricane. This makes us the only adjustable pergola kit on the market that can meet building codes anywhere in the United States. Full stop, no clauses, no trickery. Additionally, we are so confident in our Luxury Pergola product that our 10-year warranty has been extended. We are now offering a lifetime warranty on all Luxury Pergola Pro, Ultra, and Magnum units. Over the years, we've seen how our Luxury Pergola handles the snow, wind, rain, and hurricanes, and that experience gives us unbounded confidence in our product and how it performs. Our confidence in our product is so thorough that we don't have any worries about offering each of our customers a lifetime warranty that's good for as long as you live in your home. And unlike other warranties in our industry, ours is fully transferable if you sell your home. The new Luxury Pergola options are now available on our website, and we are very excited to bring these groundbreaking innovations to homeowners all over the country. Thanks for watching. We hope to talk to you soon.